Welcome, dear honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. In the name of the Slovenian Tourist Board, it is my great pleasure to present to you one of the greenest and one of the most diverse countries in the world, Slovenia. Slovenia has excellent Central European position in the triangle of Venice, Vienna, Budapest. It is very good accessible from near and long distance markets. It is fifth greenest country in the world according to EP Index and one of the safest countries as well. Slovenia is a boutique country, situated in the heart of Europe between the Alps, the Mediterranean Sea, the Karst and the Pannonian Plain. The story of Slovenia is the story of green, active and healthy Slovenia. Slovenia has amazing green nature. Over 60% of its surface is covered with forest. Over a third of the territory is protected. There are many nature parks in Slovenia. The most amazing is Triglav National Park in Ljubljana Alps, with Triglav the highest peak. There is famous Bled Lake with a little island in the middle and Soča River with its emerald color. On the west, there is mysterious Karst region with more than 10,000 karst caves. Postojna cave is the biggest and one of the most visited caves in the world. Nearby are beautiful Škocjan caves, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Not far from Postojna cave, there is stud farm Lipica, the home of graceful Lipicaner horses. The capital city Ljubljana is a colorful, vibrant city with excellent atmosphere. It is a cultural and business center of Slovenia, great for shopping as well. And we are proud that this year Slovenia holds a title European Green Capital, which shows our sincere ambition to develop sustainable tourism. Due to the excellent climate in Slovenia, you can enjoy active holidays close to nature, all year round in all parts of Slovenia. The amazing changing green scenery presents many opportunities for kayaking in Soča River, jogging, cycling along many rivers or lakes, hiking or golfing in the green. The Mediterranean coast is ideal for swimming, sailing or just walking through the narrow streets of the medieval town of Ljubljana. In winter you can enjoy skiing, or if you dare, you can even paragliding. Slovenia is also a perfect training destination for the training of athletes and sports teams. Excellent climate, good infrastructure, knowledge, medical programs and great nature inspire the athletes and clubs to come to Slovenia for quality preparation in green and peaceful environment. Slovenia is also one of the richest countries in terms of water. Wherever you go, there are streams and rivers, waterfalls, lakes and underground karst waters, springs of healing thermal and mineral water. Everywhere in Slovenia you can drink water right from the tap. In Slovenia we have 14 natural spa resorts oriented towards medical and wellness tourism. They have developed green, active and healthy experiences for body, mind and soul. The spas are attracting more and more visitors due to unique healing mineral and thermal waters and long tradition of thermalism and balneology, which is the basis for the treatments of many disorders like metabolic, cardio, locomotor, rheumatic or neurological disorders. Spas are well known for excellent doctors, top results in diagnostics, medical rehabilitation, beauty clinics, and world-class service. Many spas are also specialized in water parks for families with children, all embraced in green surroundings. In Slovenia, there are 170 traditional Slovenian dishes. Tasty and locally produced organic food will satisfy the most demanding guests. Slovenia has also rich cultural heritage. You will be impressed by historic towns, mysterious castles placed all around Slovenia. Some of them are nowadays reorganized into hotels. You can enjoy many festivals and open-air events all around the country. And besides the lively capital Ljubljana, also Maribor, Slovenia's second largest city, is a venue for many cultural events. Slovenia has been often described as a small country. But we have realized that we are only small if our work is small, and that we are great when we accept and build our connections to global flows and challenges. Inspired by nature and global opportunities, Slovenes keep pushing boundaries in sport, science, business, art and cutting-edge technologies. It is no surprise that Slovenia is always among countries with the highest number of Olympic medals per capita. And when a person's achievement is a source of national pride and focus of global attention, bold visions can become a reality. In Slovenia, you can enjoy green, active and healthy experiences in different ways. You can choose from luxurious 5-star hotels, castles hotels, friendly smaller hotels, or you can decide for luxury, glamorous boutique camping or glamping, which has become a very trendy way of sophisticated holidays. And at the end, I would like to give you some data about tourism, which is definitely one of the strongest sectors in our country. It creates 13% of the GDP and presents 40% of export services. Slovenia ranks 39 on the World Economic Forum Tourism Competitiveness Index. We have been recording constant growth in Slovenian tourism for the last years. And last year we had a record year again with 12% more international tourists. Slovenia is really becoming more and more attractive, trendy destination. Our main markets are Italy, Austria, Germany, Netherlands, Croatia, UK. And main tourism segments are spas with 1/3 of our nights, followed by mountain and seaside resorts. So, to sum up, Slovenia is a green, safe, inspiring, it has excellent location, friendly people and good quality of life. It is worth visiting, it is worth investing in, and it is worth doing business with. So, dear honorary consuls of our country, thank you for being also the ambassadors of Slovenian tourism of Slovenia. The only country in the world with the word love in its name, as you already heard from our Prime Minister. Thank you very much and feel Slovenia.